Hello all, and welcome to Marketing 1020 Mobile Marketing at Charter College. Welcome to the class. I'm glad you're here. I'm Alan Christopher. I will be your instructor for the semester, and it's a class I'm excited to get into. Mobile marketing is where the internet has ultimately headed to, but where's it going to go beyond here? We have no idea. Now, many of you may have taken me before for classes. This is kind of Charter's extension into their social media and marketing classes in the program that they've put together. So it starts with BA 1410 and extends on into several of the others. As I said, you may have had me before in a class, so you know my expectations. This class has a discussion question, homework questions, and assignments for every week. You know for the discussions that you need to post by Wednesday night for your initial post, and then do 3 more posts on 3 additional days. So you have to have a total of 4 posts, not counting any posts back to me, and have 4 different days of posting. What that does is that keeps you engaged in the class throughout the week. You're also going to have homework assignments, homework and assignments for written assignments to do. And you know my expectations on those too. I expect more than just a couple of sentences. I expect at least a full page from you. This is an upper level class now. You should understand what is required of college students. So I expect to see 2 to 3 very clear, well-written paragraphs. I look to see you answer all the questions, and I'm looking in times when you have to express your opinion to really not only express your opinion, but give me both sides of the argument. Give me the pros and cons, and then tell me which you come down on. So you know the expectations. You know what I'm going to be looking for in this class, particularly now that you're experienced students, and you know what Charter expects of you as well. So let's jump into this first week. This first week we get into mobile marketing and some of the questions. Now the internet gave us Web 1.0. We moved into social media, which is Web 2.0, and mobile is now Web 3.0. What's Web 4.0? We don't know yet. That's kind of hang on and we'll see what comes up. This week you've got a couple of things. We are going to talk about a mobile first strategy. Really what this question is, for advertising people and marketing people in general, there's a lot of advice out there that says to them, don't even do social media for laptops and computers anymore. Write your websites, write your applications, write your social media, whatever it is you're doing, do that strictly for a mobile market now. So the question is, do you believe that's necessary? Do you think we're going to the point where we are totally getting away from desktops and laptops and we're going to be a completely mobile society? That's your discussion question. Your assignment is the iPhone. It says discuss and change the way we interact. How has the iPhone changed the way we shop, the way we find information? Research and include examples to support your thoughts. Well, it's kind of an interesting question right off the bat because the iPhone was really not the first smartphone. So if I were writing this course, I would have put up there that the smartphone changed everything. So don't focus just on the iPhone, particularly if you don't have one. If you have another brand, that's fine. But think of this question in terms of how the smartphone changed everything that we do. And your homework assignment is to talk to 5 people about how they use their smartphone. Not everybody uses it the same way. Even within our class, with as few of us as there are, I'm sure we all use it differently. I, for one, am not married to my phone. I don't take it in on appointments with me. I don't have it beside the bed or beside my chair at night. It's a totally different world than even how my neighbors use it. My neighbor across the street, who's 10 years younger, is pretty much wedded to his. So we all look at it differently, and I think for your paper, try and look at different age groups of people. Don't just walk around your office or walk around the class or wherever asking people how they use this. Try and find different age groups. If nothing else, if you're out this week, stop somebody that you see with a phone in their hand and just ask them. But try and get different age groups, because I think you're going to be very surprised at the different cohort groups, at the Gen X's, the Gen Y's, the Millennials, the iGens, the Baby Boomers, the Greatest Generation. I think you're going to be very surprised at how all of those people use their phones and what benefit they get from it. Remember, it's not just important to use a tool, but the question is, what benefit do you get from using that tool? So that's it for this week. Have a great week. I'll be talking to you online in the discussion question, and I'm looking forward to this class. Thanks.